Page 237. This is the one at the top of the page for He's a Jolly Good Fellow. Here you get to figure out what the chords are going to be. Oh, fun. Well, all right, let's take a look. It's 3 flats, so it's either in the key of E flat major or C minor. It ends on an E flat. I'm guessing we're in the key of E flat major. We'll find out as we go through it because those harmonies don't sound the same. We'll know. 3/4 time, coming in on a pickup beat. I just want to hear the melody, although this is a well-known melody. And I don't want to start up here. I'm going to go here. However you finger is up to you. I prefer a fingering that lets me connect it. Then the chords. Well, I can already tell you using primary chords. So we just got to figure out which is which. And it depends on the notes in the melody. If they're primarily certain notes in the chord, you use that chord. If you're not sure, then go through them all. Try the 1 chord, and then the 4 chord, and then the 5/7 chord, and which one sounds good. At the beginning, a 1 chord. If it sounds okay. Oops, that doesn't sound good. We'll go 4 chord. That's good, that's good. Now we got to come back. So the 4 chord's only good for the A flat. Whoops, there's no F in that. So I can go here. That's the 5/7 chord. Now at the end, the last line, it's 4 chord. But then it could be a 1 chord or a 5/7 chord because the B's in both. Try them both out and see. So a 1 chord is, or if a 5/7 chord, see, one will sound a little better than the other, and I think the 5/7 sounds better there. So you experiment. I want you to write the Roman numeral for the chord underneath. So it's like at the beginning, it's going to be an I, and then an IV for the 4, and the 5/7 is going to be the V7. And you can put the little numbers under it like they did at the top of page 236, that first one. You see and the 4 chord, it's a 6/4, showing the inversion. And for the 5/7, it's a 6/5 showing the inversion. You can put the little numbers there too. There's a note under this to transpose it to F major. We're in E flat major. We're going to go up a whole step to F major. F major has 1 flat, a B flat. The chords, F major, so those are the chords we're going to use. And then for the melody, everything just goes up 1. So instead of here, I'm here. I'm in this position. And all the notes are like 1 note up. So that first note is on the bottom line. Well, now it's going to be up on the bottom space. It just goes up 1 note. And yeah. So we figure out where the melody is. You don't have to go that fast. Take your time. If you play a wrong note, you can usually tell it. And then you just try it again. See, I'm just experimenting with that. I didn't mention it. They're giving you a suggested pattern for it here. I suggest when there's a fermata, just hold it. You could do that. Don't play the 3rd beat until you're ready to go on. Whatever. And then, well, I would do it in E flat major. I just did out. You get the idea, I hope.